What's up, guys? I just got a package from US Mint. And what I got was an America the Beautiful silver coin. You can find these on their website. Just go to coins and then coin programs and America the Beautiful. And then if you scroll down, you'll see all the coins and the 2019 ones. And here's the one I got, the Frank Church River of No Return. So let's open this box. Get this off. Bubble wrap. I'll pop that later. Wow. Okay, so here's the package. America the Beautiful 5-ounce silver uncirculated coin. Super nice. That's why I like this. You know, it came with the box, so it's definitely worth getting it from US Mint. You can open up the sleeve here. We'll take a look inside. There's our certificate of authenticity. So America the Beautiful 5-ounce silver coin uncirculated. And now let's look at the coin. So here it is. Wow, that's kind of tough to get out. Jeez. There we go. Okay, here it is. So here's a regular size quarter, and then this is the silver quarter. So you can obviously see the size difference. And we can put it in our stand here. Looks really good set up, again, so we can put it on display. And we can switch this around so we show the artwork side, the park side, Idaho. Again, it's nice getting it from the US Mint, so we get that certificate of authenticity. Anyway, guys, I think that'll do it for the video, but be sure to leave a comment and subscribe and like it. So, see ya.